Hey everyone, this will be an explanation video for the shopping cart via custom field powered by bcommute.com service. So this solution can be easily installed in a couple clicks out of bcommute templates. What you will get the bcommute configurations already set up for you. The sample spreadsheet will be created in your Google accounts, and there will be the manychat template installed. The manychat flow looks like this. So this is actually the whole cart, and let's see how it actually works. So at the starting step, we have pretty much all the custom fields that we're gonna use. Those ones are the cart. Here we will save all the subscribers items that were added to the cart. The chosen item will carry the item name. Once the subscriber clicks remove from cart or add from cart, it will pass the item name to the manychat custom field, and we will cache it here. The become item price is actually the price that will be pulled out from the Google Sheets and passed to manychat custom field. To this custom fields, again, it will happen once the subscriber clicks the add to cart or remove from cart button. And the set and the bcommute total price, obviously it's a total price of all the items that you have in your cart. So then, pretty standard, just the user input message asking for the food type. We will use it's been saved to this custom field, and we will use this value to search the Google spreadsheet and find the items that we want. So let's go and preview. So once we've chosen that, it's going, as you can see, the flow is going to the dynamic content that is generating the gallery cards, showing the options that you have. So let's say we choose meat. So it will go to this spreadsheet and find all the meat offers. As you can see, here they are. So after that, this message is configured over here. As you can see, there's a spreadsheet, which is spreadsheet name here, the sheet name, message type, gallery cards that we have here. So the configuration, how to search the spreadsheet, it's searching the column B for the value from custom field, search word 1. As I've just shown you, we are saving the value over here. So that's pretty easy. Then just gallery card setup, where to get the title, subtitle, and picture. And there are a couple of buttons that we have right here. So one of them is going back button, just going to the starting step, not actually starting step, but to choose another category. Here we are. Here's the name. Here it is. And another one is going to add to cart node in the flow. As you can see, it's the same go to message button. So let's see where it goes. And it goes right here to this action. As you can see, the name of this action is add to cart. That's what we have right here. And we also set up 2 actions. So upon the button click, when you click add to cart, it will go to this action, and also it will set up the values it will pick the values from Google Sheets and save them to these custom fields. As you can see, we are picking up the food name, so if I click add to cart, it will pick up this food name and save it to this custom field. And it will also pick up the price from the column F and save it to this custom field. And then it will go to this action. So what is going on in this action? Let's see. There are just two simple things. Here we set the cart to this value. We're just saving all the items that subscriber clicks. We just save them using comma and just add them to the same cart, to the custom field cart. So pretty much it will look like the following, like item name 1, item name 5, item name 3. So that's how the values will be stored in your custom field in manychat in the cart custom field. And we are calculating the total price. So once we picked the over here with this action, we picked the price for the chosen product and saved them to this custom field. So we just calculate the price by just summing up the total price plus the new price. That's, I guess, pretty easy. Then we're going to the message. Okay, let's click and see what happens. So let's click add to cart. Here we go. So over here we are showing the item name that was added. As you can see, here's this custom field where we save the item name. Here's the price that we also pull from Google Sheets. This custom field, here they are shown. And then we have just like a couple of buttons here, show cart and another category. So if we want to go and choose something else to add, so we're just going back to the starting step. If we are going, if we want to see the card, let's add another item to the cart, and then we will go. Okay. Oh, we'll add it to of the same type. Okay, let's add another one. Okay, that's it. So let's click show cart and go to this dynamic content message. This dynamic content is handled with this configuration, as you can see, cart from custom field. So how does it work? As you can see, those are gallery cards, and pretty much the same. We are searching the column A. We're searching the column A over here for the item names that we've already saved to our cart. At this step, you remember we saved them using comma. So pretty much there's 2 of mid dish 1 and 1 mid dish 2, as you can see. So we just again, as I've just shown you, it looks like the following in your cart. So what we do, we specify to search our catalog, the column A with the names that we have added to our custom field, and we specify the custom field that is named of the cart, and we choose here include all. It means that each word that you have in your cart custom field will be added. So it will search for each word in your spreadsheet, and just edit. That's it. Again, the gallery card setup, where to get the title, subtitle, picture, and the button, remove from cart button. Again, the remove from cart button is going to another action. We will see it right now. And as you can see, there's the follow-up message. Let's see where it is and how it works. So here we go. We have the dynamic content and then the follow-up message saying your total price is, and it has the total price custom field that we are calculating each time we click add to button or remove from the, add to cart or remove from cart. And there are some other buttons, continued shopping, which is going again to category selection, clear cart. So obviously you just clear the custom field. Checkout is just going somewhere where you can add any checkout method that is convenient for you, that you're using with via any payment system that you want. So let's see what happens when we click remove from cart. So when we click remove from cart button, it's go to message button and it takes us to this node in the flow. Here we go. Here's this action named remove from cart. So, and there are some other actions actually. So once you hit remove from cart button, it will take the food name and save it to this custom field. It will take the price and save it to this custom field. The name and price are taken from Google spreadsheets, so that's why you have to specify the column. That's it. So it saves the necessary information over here and goes to this action. And what happens here, we are calculating the total price since we are removing the item. So it's like total price minus the price of the item that we are removing. And there's an external request going to bcommute.com that just removes the chosen item from your cart custom field. So since you have just a set of names in your cart custom field like this, and let's say you are removing the item name 1, so the external request will just cut this out and return the cart without this item. That's it. Everything's pretty simple. So let's see what happens. Remove from cart. I have to remind that we have 2 of the same items here and 1 mid dish too. So we're going to this message saying, as you can see, it picked up when we clicked, it picked up the item name and is showing it here. It picked up the item price from the spreadsheet and added it over there. So let's actually remove another thing from the cart. So here we are, and view cart is going again to the same dynamic content message to show to view the cart, to show the gallery cards. Again, as we've just seen here, it just takes all the items that you have listed using comma in this custom field, and it takes each of them and just search for them in your catalog. That's it. You click view cart, and here we go. We have just 1 item left out there since we've removed 2 of those. That's it. The total price is already calculated. It's what was left, because here you can see the total price was much higher. And well, clear cart. as I've just told you, it just clears the the custom field, so there will be nothing over there and there will be nothing to show. That's it. It's a pretty simple solution, very easy to understand, super flexible to set up. You can configure actually anything, you can add whatever you want. This template is available along with these configurations. You can actually play around here. You can just add any of your spreadsheets. You don't have to copy, paste, or just try to make the same spreadsheet in order to make it work. You just can add your own spreadsheet and just specify where to get the title, subtitle, and picture, and where to search where the item names that you have, and that's it. Pretty much nothing else to do. So you can configure whatever you want with any of your spreadsheets, any of your catalogs. Nothing else is required. So feel free to install this and check it out and make your bots better. Thank you for watching.